If you're tired of the same old three-dimensional sausage links for breakfast, then you need to try something new from Johnsonville. Johnsonville maple-flavored sausage strips. 2 dimensions. Who'da figure? Give them a try today. They're delicious. Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking on the Road with Scotty B. Today we're going to introduce you to a new appliance that we have. It's not new to me, but it's new to you. This is the Bella 12-inch electric skillet. And I got this one at Walmart for, I think it was like $19. It was on sale. But it does the job. It goes up to 450 degrees. And so we're going to use that today to make a fan request. And it's going to be sausage strips from Johnsonville, the maple flavored ones, with pancakes and real maple syrup. So we're in for a real treat. Let's get to it. Now my TV tray is made out of plastic, and this electric skillet kind of gets a little warm on the bottom, so I'm going to use this little trivet here and place it directly under the skillet so it kind of absorbs some of that heat from that coil on the bottom of the electric skillet. Not that it has done any damage, but I just, I like to play it safe. So we're going to take our Johnsonville strips here, and I've got my cutting board out, but what we're going to do is we're going to cut the sausage strips in half. That way we can save them for later. So we're going to place one half in a Ziploc and put that in the fridge, and then we're going to get this guy ready for the pan. And we got to plug in the pan, set it to about 350, and then start our cooking process. Take a regular paper plate and prepare it with a piece of paper towel and get this ready to collect all the runoff from the sausage strips. All right, so we're going to gently place in our sausage strips and get these started. Like I say, we've cut it in half. It fits a little better in the pan too, and it's easier, a little easier to handle. There we go. Get that cooking. And they are going to taste great with those pancakes, let me tell you. And let those get started. Okay, we're going to flip these over. They're looking really good. This pan does a real good job. And for the price I paid for it, we'll get many, many good years of use. Comes along with a glass lid, so if you're doing stuff like poaching eggs or something of that nature, here's the glass lid. Out of the glass lid. It does really good in holding the steam in there, or steaming vegetables or shrimp or anything like that. Okay, we'll go ahead and put these on the plate and get ready to make the pancake batter. And just let those rest for a little bit. Next, we're going to mix up our fast shake pancake batter mix with 2/3 cups of water. And then shake it and let it mix for a second. And then we're going to add another 1/3 cup of water because I like my pancakes a little thinner than normal. So that's just me. You can have them as thick as you want. Okay, we've added the water, sealing it up. I'm going to give it a good shake, make sure all that gets mixed up. All right, now we're going to open it up and put that last 1/3 of water in there and give it another good shake. And you got it. Pancake time, baby. All right, I'm going to plug in the skillet. I pre-melted some butter in it, and we'll get this show on the road here. Okay, the butter is bubbling as we speak. Spread it around a little bit in the pan here. Even though it's a non-stick, I still like to get it to where it's going to cook these pancakes real nice. All right, let's pour 4 of these pancakes. Beautiful. Let some bubbles develop in the pancakes, and then we'll flip them, and they'll be ready to eat. Okay, I think it's time ready to flip. Give them a little flip in here. Oh yeah, that's looking pretty good. Not too bad at all. There we go. We'll let that cook for a few more minutes and we're ready to eat. Okay, those are ready to be plated. There we go. There we go. Now, what can't be better than a smiley face pancake platter with sausage strips? Oh, this is going to be good. All right, let's put some butter on it and some syrup and down the hatch. Okay, we've added some syrup, melted some butter on there. It looks good. So we'll give it a shot here. Real maple syrup from Aldi's. And a little bite of sausage strip in maple syrup. This is breakfast right here. Appreciate you sitting out this episode with me for breakfast. And like and subscribe to the video if you like it. If you'd like to see more, give us suggestions. Maybe we can make it happen in the truck here. Thanks a lot for joining us. Have a great day.